Now, you know, it's much easier that way. What the heck is this? Jerome, what you doing, Jerome? What is this? He ain't got no waves. What am I looking at right now? What the? This dude. Is that the dude that playing Power with Megan Thee Stallion?
Watch the full video, please.
What's up, everybody? 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys, and today we're gonna be reacting to some lather. If those lathers not lathery, if those lathers not immaculate, I'm clicking off the video. But without further ado, let's jump right into it.
They sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright guys, right before we get into this video, I want y'all to go subscribe to my second channel, you feel me? Me and my girlfriend, I'm gonna have that linked in my description. Y'all go subscribe. We all know we're to 10,000 subscribers, but with that being said, let's jump right into this video. Alright y'all, so we got Jerome Flex on him, you feel me? Jerome Flex on him. Jerome Flex on him. Jerome Flex on. Flex on them. Flex on them. I don't know how you say his last name, but it's like Flex on them. Jerome Flex on them, you feel me? I'm already subscribed, you feel me? Let me leave a like on the video, you feel me? That's what I'm talking about. You gotta like the video, you gotta support. Alright? Big shout out to Jerome Flex on them for coming up with these fire compilations so that I can react to. Alright? So if you guys not subscribed to Jerome Flex on them, Flex on them, Flex on them, or Flex on them. Jerome Flex on, I don't even know how to say that, jump, bro. Y'all say however y'all want to. Go subscribe to him. I'm gonna have his link in my description. I'm gonna have this video link in my description. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Best 360 wave compilations, best 360 waves in the world, 2021 already? If we talking about the best 360 waves in the world, I better be on that jump. Jerome Flex on them. Jerome Flex on them. Jerome Flex on them. I'm trying. Brownie Blends on that junk. Alright, why is Brownie Blends number one? And maybe they saving the best for last, which is, you know, your boy Juice. Alright, so yeah, let's get it. Jerome, I'm telling you, man, if I'm not on this video, man, I'm unsubscribing to your channel. Hit play. I'm gonna put down the volume. I already did. Woo! Great lather on the first video. You caught my attention, Jerome. Great lather, boy. Of course, Brownie Blend's gonna have great lather. Y'all see the lather? Y'all see it, right? Oh man, Brownie Blends, bro. He know what he don't. That's why he be having those Brownie Blends. He be having his hair out for like a whole month. And then he come back with the wig, you feel me? Because he be missing it. Just like Sir Cruz about to do. Sir Cruz about to come back because he gonna miss the wigs. But yeah, y'all. I didn't know DeVell Perry was a freaking straight hair waver, man. I just figured out, well, I just found out that DeVell Perry was a straight hair waver, guys. But yeah, man. DeVell Perry straight hair waving. All my straight hair wavers, y'all go check out DeVell Perry. He gonna teach y'all how to get waves, you feel me? So great lather, DeVell. And I think his pattern is a 540, guys. So he a 540 waver, straight hair waver, so y'all go and learn from him, man. His name on Instagram is DeVell Perry. Y'all see how he's swirling the pattern? That's how you brush your 540s and not your beehives. So it's different patterns to this, you feel me? Watch the unrag. Bruh. Lather, great lay, great unrag, great shine, great everything. Now y'all understand what lather is all about. I know y'all understand that. Oh, I reacted to, that's a girl, man. I reacted to her on my my TikTok. She was spinning. She's still spinning, but yo, she definitely caught my attention. I had to give her a follow, man. You know, she doing big things in the wave game. Female wavers, man, they taking over. Fellas, they taking over. Don't let that happen, man. We gotta stay on top. We gotta be the best. You know, cause them female wavers, they coming up. And they all looking nice though. They all looking nice. I forgot his name. But yo, this is an amazing wash right here. Like when you can see the lather like that, man, it's just like, you know, you're doing something. You know you're doing something right. All your angles flowing in the right direction and everything. Bro, it's just nice, man. Okay, he using the detangling shower brush to get everything back into place. Now he gonna go in with the brush, and the lather's still there. Even though it's not as great as before, but you could definitely add some more shampoo to that junk to make it look, you know, good. JR_540 waves. That's what I'm telling y'all, man. when I react to your waves on TikTok or on Instagram, make sure you have your watermark. You see his watermark right here? Everyone in the world that watches my video, even if it gets 50,000 views, they will see that this is JR_540 waves. And on top of that, it's gonna be easier for me to know that this is who I'm reacting to, so that way it'll be easier for me to tag that person or you in my caption. So it's a lot easier, because you know, I know people love to get their credit, and I want to give you guys credit, but I'm not about to spend a whole day looking for you on Instagram, trying to find who you are. Nah, man, I don't got time for that. I'm too busy for that, you feel me? So have your watermark on your video. It's a lot easier, alright? Watch the unrack though. Oh, he got 2 do-rags on. That's just gonna be super late with a headache. Oh man, nah, he definitely got a wolf though. Definitely, Jerron. I said Jerron. JR_540. You definitely got a wolf. Wolfing is important. Of course, the GOAT, man. Sir Cruz. We miss you, man. Come back, man. We know you getting a little tired of the waves, but you need to come back so you can teach these cats how to properly maintain their waves. You feel me? Especially during their wolf session. I mean, I only gotta talk about Sir Cruz lather, because you already know he like the lather, not God. I'm not even gonna say God. He's the lather king, one of the lather kings. All right. I forgot his name, but he's definitely nice. Definitely, he an OG in the wave game, man. If y'all know his name, drop him in the comments, because I really forgot his name. Ellis P Wavy. I think that's his name. Definitely nice. Great lather. Yeah, definitely dope lather. Bruh, I'm liking this video, man. Matter of fact, I don't even think I like reacting to elite waivers lathers anymore. I don't even want to, because it's just like they already know what they're doing. So what's the point? So after this video, I'm not even gonna react to elite people no more, elite waivers, because y'all already got it, man. I wanna stick with my beginners. I wanna teach my beginners how to properly do this thing, you feel me? Because it's really no point. I'm just looking at people that know what they're doing already. Yeah, man. All these waivers, they elite. They know what they're doing. So it's like, bruh, y'all see that lather? That lather right there, you could tell the difference between a lather from a shampoo or a shampoo bar. Because a bar, I already told you already, a bar is much thicker than a regular shampoo. Bruh, ain't no way you're gonna be brushing with your do-rag on, bro, because all you're doing is taking the fiber off the do-rag off. You're taking the little strings, you know, the little strings that's on the do-rag. You're taking all that off, and you're not really doing nothing. You're not really touching your hair, so there's no point. Bro, get out of here, man. I mean, you know what? Don't knock it till you try. I've never tried this before. Maybe it works, but just by looking at it, I'm like, that don't work, bro. Like, nah, you know. Oh, I want to see this one. I can already tell he got waves because he forgot to comb this part out. I already seen the waves, so he ain't even gonna fool me. He probably fooled you, but not me. What's your hair? Put the shampoo in that joint. See? It's not lathering up because he got mad oil and dirt in his hair, alright? The second wash always lathers up pretty good. You don't even have to put that much shampoo in. But let's go to the second wash. Rinse it out, man. Alright, so he's rinsing it out right now, right? Rinse it out. Y'all gonna watch it. Y'all gonna see the second wash. That's just gonna be lathery as crap. Yeah, he just scrubbed like 2-3 times and it's already lathery. You see that? Now, you know, it's much easier that way. What the heck is this? Jerron, what you doing, Jerron? What is this? He ain't got no waves. What am I looking at right now? What the? This dude. Is that the dude that playing Power? With Megan Thee Stallion? No, that's Megan, what's her name? Megan something? Alright, y'all, that's it for this video, man. It was a bunch of great lathers. Everybody knew what they was doing. I had nobody, flame, nobody to be like, yo, what are you doing? It was not fun, alright? Everybody knew what they were doing. They were knowledgeable on this stuff, I want a video that has a beginner that don't know what they're doing, so I can be like, yo, that's not how you do it. You feel me? That's when I feel like I'm actually doing something, you feel me? Because right now I just feel like I was just watching them do they thing, and it was just, I don't know. I ain't like it. Alright. If y'all want to see more reactions like this, y'all go follow me on TikTok at 360_juice with a 3 at the end. On our way to 400,000 followers. I really appreciate you guys for 300K on YouTube. We are almost at 50K on Instagram, so y'all go follow me on social media, you feel me? And don't forget to subscribe to my second channel. If you guys want to watch the video that I just reacted to, it's linked in my description. Thank you for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, comment. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button for your boy on our way to 400,000 subscribers. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.